Alright, this is another videos, guys, and we're going to be hearing an STH-10A siren be going off. We're at Dayville Fire Department in Kentucky. So, yeah, this is the white STH-10 that I came here to film it doing either alert or attack or wail. I'm not real sure what tone it's going to be doing yet, but it is going to be... There it is! Attack, I guess. Or just do a single. Okay, so now the siren is winding down. I thought the test would be longer, but I guess it was just a quick little groan of the air raid siren. Okay, it's like an infinite groan. It just keeps going. Still groaning. Wow. I have no idea if they're gonna go back on alert or not. Maybe? Probably not though by now. I don't know how it's still rolling. It just keeps going. So yeah, I guess that was the test of the siren. I thought it would be longer than just a quick little growl of their siren. It's winding down right now. So yeah, it went for a good 2 minutes. But about, the high pitch time was about like 30 seconds and the wind down was about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Just winding down now. And still going. So yeah, I guess that was the test. I did not expect that to be so short, but there was a roll flat in there. Yeah. I'm not sure if that one's gonna go off again or not. But yeah, I think that was the end of its test. If you're at the siren, it's still going, groaning. Probably barely hear it now. Yeah. So that was the test of the STH-10A air raid siren. A quick growl of the siren. So again, Dayville Fire Department, Kentucky. It just tested. I expect the test to be a little longer than just this. It's a white, rusty white STH-10 air raid siren. I did not expect it to go down so soon yet. It shut up down. Oh yeah, I can kind of see the chopper spinning in there. It's cool. Yeah, the siren just shut down, so now it's no longer blaring. I don't know if you could hear it, but they're actually down that way, down there. there's actually a Model 5 that I have no idea. It's right near the dispatch. I'm not sure if that siren went off or not, because I did not hear that one go off. All I heard was this STH-10 that appears its chopper is still spinning. OMG. And going and going and going. Yeah, so that's going to be the end of the video. The siren just stopped. That's the end of the video. Bye, guys.